Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be playing Squarebird. And so, I played this game, I just downloaded it, and I was going to do a video, but I kind of got interrupted, so I had to delete that video. So sorry you didn't get to see the action, but don't worry, I'll play a little bit for you guys. Oh, hang on. Choose 3 eggs. This one, this one, this one. Oh, I got some coins. Anyways, so in case you don't know about this game, ooh, it looks like I unlocked a skin, kind of, but I'll use it later. I just want to stick to this white one with gray polka dots. And so, anyways, back to this game. In case you don't know about this game, well, you're supposed to well, you have this bird here, which is probably a chicken. Oh, I just died. And the point of it is that you need to stack, hang on, you need to stack some eggs so it can go higher and not hit a wall. And so that's the point of this game. So let me just wait for this ad to end. Okay, so my best score so far is 59. Oh, whoops, I died in the same spot. Let me try this again. Oh man, I died again. Let me try this again. Oh yes, finally made it through. So, next level. Oh man, not this ad again. Well, the ad's not here in this video, but it was in the video of when I was recording it. You know, the video which I just told you before I got interrupted. And so, anyways. Let me just wait for this ad to end. Alright. So now, on to level 6. Alright. I made it. Maybe I'll just play a little bit more. Alright. Alright, I made it. It looks like that you'll have to make it to a farm. And why are these ads in the way? Sorry guys, I just coughed. Alright, now let's continue. Alright. Ooh, choose 3 eggs. I'll go with this one, and this one. Alright. Oh, man, I died. Let me just wait for this ad to end. Why are there so many ads in this game? I'll probably stop once I finish level 12. Right? Here we go. Right? I made it. Sorry, I just coughed again. It looks like I unlocked another skin. Or bird, I should say. Oh, now it looks like the ground's kind of moving up. Oh, there we go. No, not another ad. Alright, now let's continue. Alright. This will be the last level which I'll do for today. Oh, I just died. Almost there. Alright, I made it. Hang on, let me just choose 3 eggs. Alright. Well guys, that's all which I'll do for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.